Hey guys, so today, you see this thing right here? Yeah, this is a cat. Have you guys see, I don't have cats. I don't have cats. But I was not making videos on Sunday because I had a lot of stuff to do and it was celebrating birthday. It's not my birthday. Next week is my birthday. But say hi. Her name is Luna. And her nickname is Sam. So I have not thought about a nickname, but I already said it, so. Look at the eyes. Bro. Yo, it's all me. It's not a stray cat. It smells like food. Bro, stop going on my food. Bro, you already ate. You stop going on my food. Yo, my food, bro. Look at my waffles. She's trying to get my waffles. Hold up. Okay, I got it off. So we're gonna be eating waffles. I always take a small bite when I'm in cameras. What are you looking at? What are you looking at? What are you looking at? Bro. Yeah. Bro, this cat came out of nowhere. And it started being friendly, but look at these scars. It's from the cat. But you see this? Literally, she bit me and she scratched me. Not playful. Well, you don't care about the ball. You don't care about it. So I hope you guys have a great day. Just wanted to show you the cat. So bye, peace, and go to my channel. Okay, I'm just having a bad day today, so I'm just gonna make a video of it. I'm gonna get my pants so I can explain it to y'all. Bye. Hold up.